Well, hi! Welcome to the Integrated Science Adventure. Welcome to Room 210, Adventure Lane. And you are in for a really great experience. My name is Tim Newman, and I am what I like to call the adventure leader. And I'm going to refer to you guys as adventurers instead of students this semester. We're going to have an awesome time, and this is one of the best classes, best science classes here at O'Dowd, because you're going to get to touch things, you're going to get to go out to the living lab, you're going to get a great experience and a great foundation for all of our science classes here at Bishop O'Dowd. So first of all, let me say welcome, and then also I super apologize for not being able to be here today. I am working on a collaborative effort with Stanford University, and I am off at a climate change conference in England right now, but I will be seeing you on September 10th. That's the day, first day that I'm going to see you. In the meantime, you guys are going to be working on a profile for me. You are going to be sending me some information that will allow me to get to know you before you actually end up seeing me on September 10th. So that will be explained to you. It's on Schoology, and you'll have about a week to kind of get that all done. So let me give you kind of a brief introduction. We are going to be working a little bit on scientific method. We're going to be working on some biology, some chemistry, a little bit of physics, a little bit of earth science. You're going to get a chance to do lots of hands-on kind of stuff starting today. So I have done a lot of planning, getting ready for you to be here, have a good time, and I'm counting on you, knowing past Bishop O'Dowd students and now you guys as adventurers, I'm counting on you to do a really great job and not waste this time while I'm gone, but you're going to be actually learning some new stuff and thinking about some things and letting me get to know you during this time, even though it's electronically, so that we can really get off on a good foot. Now, you understand, especially from Bow Wow training, you know all about Schoology and a lot of information that's on Schoology for you to help you out. But I also want to introduce you to this cabinet over on the side where I'm standing, because there are some hard copies. I know it's old school, but hard copies of stuff that might help you out too. So in this room, this is a calendar that's going to be similar to the one that you'll see on Schoology, which tells you exactly what we did and when we did it. And honestly, even though you can get this on your phone, on Schoology, or on your computer, sometimes it's really easy to just walk in the door. And on most days when I'm here, that door will be unlocked so that you can use this room really effectively. So walk in here, check the calendar in case you were absent or in case you want to check what happened, see what happened, and then move on where you need to go. Up here is an assignment sheet. This, what I like to call adventure activity sheet, is also posted on Schoology, and there's a variety of ways for you to get this information. But I generally post this for 2 weeks at a time. And in that aspect, I'm trying to help you out to work ahead. So if you can see, oh wow, I'm going to be gone this weekend, let me work ahead. I've got a lab to do, I want to make sure I get some questions answered. This is there to help you do that. So today you're going to be doing an activity with mystery tubes, and the substitute teacher today is going to help you out with what you need to do for that. I will be asking you some questions, you'll be turning in some responses, but let me leave you with two things. You are going to be getting a handout for today based on just welcoming you to the adventure and giving you some general information. Now you might have noticed today that I have my adventure outfit on, and I also have some adventure tools with me, and I just kind of wanted to go over a few things with you and why they are important. One is you need to bring your tools with you. I brought here what I call a bow, and I use this for making fires when I'm out in the field. But if I didn't have this, I wouldn't be able to make my fire. Fire is kind of important for cooking and also for keeping warm. Well, for you as an adventurer in integrated science, you might need things like a pencil and a pen, and you need them both because we're going to use those in different aspects. And you're going to need to bring a science notebook. So on your handout today, you'll see a list of supplies, things that you're going to need in order to succeed. So I want you to bring those with you. Things like, in this case, you're not going to bring a book with you because we don't have a textbook for integrated science. So I brought my map here because this is going to help me to be able to read the information that I need to understand. In this case, for this class, you're going to read some handouts that are on Schoology, some reading handouts. I also want to encourage you to bring a bottle of water and a refillable bottle of water, because we really want to focus on sustainability here at O'Dowd. And if you look over near the windows across the way, you'll see that we have some sinks, places you can refill. And yeah, downstairs has the awesome cold water refills. So please think about that when you're coming to school each day. Bring yourself a bottle so that we can help the environment. And also, the point is, bring your stuff. So look at that list. Bring that stuff next time. Nothing on that list is too gosh darn surprising, but make sure you have your stuff. So my word of advice to you as we part right now on this video is please make sure that you're responsible. Try to be responsible for things that you think a Bishop O'Dowd student and / adventurer right now should be responsible for. Like, for instance, looking at the assignment sheet list and knowing what you need to bring each day. Because you'll notice on this list that there's a column that says, hey, make sure you bring this with you. And you have a little ways before that happens, but make sure you take a look at that list. Or perhaps the column that says due today. Make sure you're responsible for that. And if there's something that you don't understand, ask. The second thing is come in for help. We have a load of helpful programs here at O'Dowd. There's peer tutoring, there's all kinds of other programs that will help all of you at Bishop O'Dowd to get some help in every class, including this one. But I can't stress more that if you're not coming in for help here, also, you're not doing the right thing. And I know it's super scary to come ask a teacher, come ask an adult for some help, but here are some things I want you to think about. Number one is, I need to know what help you need. So unless you come in and ask me for some help, I may not have a really good view of what exactly you need. And maybe there are some other students that need that too. So that's really helpful. You're giving me some good information, and I'm going to give you some great information back. The second thing you want to think about in that venue is that most people that come ask for help only take about 2 minutes. So it's not going to impact your day a lot. If you ask someone else for help who doesn't know exactly where we are, that might take a much longer time. So it's going to be really efficient to come for help here. I know exactly what you need. And then lastly, it just makes a good connection. So as scary as it might be to come ask for help on integrated science information or on study skills. If you are a procrastinator, come ask for help. If you are a person, if you're even afraid to come ask for help, I know this sounds really strange, but you might want to say, dude, I am really scared to come ask for help, and just kind of put it in my hands. I will help you out. So make sure you do that, make those connections, have fun with the mystery tubes today, and with any time you have left today in today's period, you can start on reading your adventure guidelines, which is another name for course information, or also starting to work on your profile. So have a great day. I'm going to look forward to seeing you. If you need my help or you want to communicate with me sooner, send me an email. I definitely will be connected in the next 2 weeks, and I will see you soon.